As indicated by the most recent long-haul conjecture, Ethereum cost will hit $4,000 toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $6,000 toward the finish of 2025. Ethereum will ascend to $7,000 inside the time of 2028, $8,000 in 2030, $9,000 in 2031, and $10,000 in 2034. About Ethereum. Ethereum is an open-source blockchain framework that on a very basic level expands the idea of blockchain past its unique relationship with digital currencies like Bitcoin. Presented in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin and a group of engineers, Ethereum is planned as a decentralized stage that empowers shrewd agreements and dispersed applications dApps to be fabricated and worked with next to no margin time, extortion, control, or obstruction from an outsider. At its center, Ethereum's essential advancement lies in its utilization of savvy contracts. Brilliant agreements are self-executing contracts with the particulars of the arrangement straightforwardly composed into lines of code. These agreements naturally uphold and execute the provisions of the arrangement in light of predefined rules, without the requirement for middle people. This capacity has opened up a huge range of uses, from the production of decentralized finance DeFi stages that proposition loaning, getting, and exchanging administrations without the requirement for customary monetary delegates, to the formation of decentralized independent associations DAOs that work in view of aggregate decision production of their individuals without unified administration. Ethereum likewise presented the idea of a programmable blockchain, where designers can make their own tasks of any intricacy, hence empowering the production of different decentralized applications. This is worked with by Ethereum's local programming language, robustness, which permits designers to compose brilliant agreements and send them on the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum's importance lies in its cryptographic money as well as in its boundless applications empowered by brilliant agreements. A stage is prepared for another time of decentralized computerized applications, from money and gaming to inventory network the board, and then some, trying customary models of control and offering another worldview of disseminated agreement and trust. Why is the Ethereum cost so unpredictable? Ethereum, in the same way as other digital currencies, is known at its cost unpredictability. This implies the cost of Ethereum can rise or fall emphatically in an exceptionally brief time frame. A few elements add to this unpredictability, making it both an intriguing and unsafe venture. Market feeling, right off the bat, assumes a gigantic part. Reports, virtual entertainment posts, and public proclamations by powerful individuals can influence individuals' discernments decidedly or adversely, prompting fast cost changes. For example, in the event that a notable business person tweets something certain about Ethereum, its cost could flood as additional individuals race to get it, trusting the worth will keep on climbing. Hypothesis additionally adds to the instability. Many individuals purchase Ethereum not to utilize it, but rather trusting it will increment in esteem so they can sell it at a benefit. This theoretical exchanging can prompt quick cost swings as financial backers respond to transient open doors or dangers, frequently founded on restricted data or bits of gossip. The liquidity of Ethereum, how effectively it very well may be traded at a steady cost, likewise influences its unpredictability. Contrasted with conventional business sectors like stocks or land, the digital money market is less fluid. Significance, even little exchanges can hugely affect the market cost. This absence of liquidity can prompt emotional cost developments as merchants endeavor to enter or leave their positions. Also, administrative news can cause critical cost developments. At the point when an administration reports new guidelines or boycotts concerning digital currencies, it can prompt vulnerability among financial backers. For instance, in the event that a significant economy like the US or China presents severe guideline, it could make the cost fall as individuals dread the effect on Ethereum's ease of use and acknowledgement. Ultimately, the innovation and improvement of Ethereum itself can impact its cost. Refreshes, new highlight, or huge changes in the Ethereum blockchain can prompt cost changes. Financial backers could respond decidedly to redesigns that work on the stage's effectiveness, security, or adaptability, prompting cost increments. Then again, deferrals or issues with updates can prompt abatements in cost. Verifiable expectations. Zephyr 15204. Ethereum value forecast 2024-2025. Ethereum cost began in 2024 at $2,294.70. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $3,142.38, so the cost expanded by 37% from the start of the year. The estimated Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2024 is $6,306 and the year-to-year change plus 175%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 101%. In 2024, we hope to see $4,349 per 1 Ethereum. In the main portion of 2025, the Ethereum cost will move to $7,970. In the final part, the cost would add $823 and close the year at $8,793, which is plus 180% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $8,793 to $11,872, which is up 35%. Ethereum will begin 2026 at $8,793, then, at that point, dip to $7,484 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $7,736. That implies plus 146% from today. Ethereum forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $11,872 to $15,307, which is plus 29%. Ethereum will begin 2031 at $11,872, then dip to $11,160 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $11,788. It is about plus 275% from today. Zaforza 1224. Ethereum value expectation 2024-2025. Ethereum cost began in 2024 at $2,294.70. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $3,608.69, so the cost expanded by 57% from the start of the year. The estimated Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2024 is $8,359 and the year-to-year change plus 264%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 132%. In 2024, we hope to see $5,765 per 1 Ethereum. In the primary portion of 2025, the Ethereum cost will move to $10 to $564. In the final part, the cost would add $191 and close the year at $11,655, which is plus 223% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $11,655 to $15,736, which is up 35%. Ethereum will begin 2026 at $11 to $655, then, at that point, dip to $9,920 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $10,254. That implies plus 184% from today. Ethereum expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $15,736 to $22,287, which is plus 29%. Ethereum will begin 2031